In front of me is POCO X4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, just access settings and scroll down. Now choose password and security, click on screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern. Then you need to wait 5 seconds and choose got it in the pop-up. After that, enter your login method and repeat it. When you're ready, just confirm at the bottom right corner. And if you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by choosing Add. I will go with Cancel though, so now when I click Home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!